Welcome to the channel, The Office Guide. I am Ravi Kishore Agrawal. Well, today we'll talk about the ribbon. Well, as we know, Microsoft Excel is Microsoft's spreadsheet application. Excel enables user to perform a wide variety of functions, including calculation, graphics, tools, pivot tables, and macro programming languages. You can create charts, graphs that help you visualize and analyze the data. It become one of the most popular tools in business today. So it's a good idea for you to know at least the basics of this. These days, Microsoft even has mobile Excel apps for Windows, Android, and iOS devices. Users can share spreadsheets with the colleagues that can be accessed from the office or on the go. In this article, we'll cover the main function in the ribbon, which is what the menu bar in Excel is called. Item in the ribbon contain group of icon that perform similar functions. These includes file, your home and insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer, help. First, we'll talk of file. The file menu is the leftmost item in the Excel ribbon. The file ribbon item enables you to perform file management functions including open, save as, close, print. You can also use the file menu to import from external sources and into the Excel along with the options that allow you to tweak Excel itself. The main tip is the file menu does not appear as a ribbon in Excel for Mac. Instead, the file menu appears in the application menu bar, right? Next is your home. Well, the home menu is the second menu in the Excel menu bar. The home ribbon item includes option for formatting font, color, conditional formatting, filter, number type, and much more. All these functions help one in performing various effective calculations, right? The second one is insert. As the name suggests, this is the ribbon which can be used or help you in inserting various options and items into the Excel in spreadsheets. You can insert a variety of things ranging from pivot table to pictures and a clip art, shapes, screenshots. You can insert recommended charts, graphs, text box, header, footer, symbol, equations. Everything is there in the insert menu. The next or the third option is the page layout. Again, as the name suggests, the collection of functions on the page layout menu. You will see many options for configuring pages for viewing and printing, providing the themes, including page size, margins, orientations, colors, font, backgrounds, print title. You can have sheet options by which you can view or print, and you can bring forward anything, you can send backward, you can arrange your text or charts as per your requirement. You can also customize cell height and width on the page layout menu. The next one is the formulas. The formula menu is where you find all the number crunching options. Excel comes with a lot of formulas including financial, logical, text, date and time, look and references, maths and trigonometric functions, and much more numerical functions as well. The next one is the data. The data menu also contains many important functions in Excel, including import and exports, connecting with multiple databases. You also access the sort filter, remove duplicates, data validation is there. Text to column function is very helpful in segregating any text. Ungroup, subtotal function. You can have your what if analysis and the forecast analysis run here as well. The next one is the review. The review menu, as earlier in this article, we mentioned Excel's ability to collaborate on spreadsheets. The review menu is where many of those tasks take place. You can make actually comments. You can show all the comments at one go, and you can check spellings, track changes. Workbook statistics is also there. You can have smart look where whether you type anything here, you will be able to find that in the net as well. The next menu is the view. On the view menu, you customize the way spreadsheets appear on your screen. Options include displaying grid lines between cells, right? Toggling the formula bar and heading, and you can view multiple workbook side by sides. This menu also gives you option to view and record macros, right? As well, macros let you record common steps you perform so you don't have to repeat the same things over and over again. Well, the main conclusion that we can draw from the main ribbon is Excel is helpful to use no matter whether you are an office worker, a homemaker, or a data analyst. Knowing the basics can help you manage budgets, create what if scenarios, and anything else you can think of that uses numbers. If you want to learn some more of about Excel, do visit our website and the channel The Office Guide. And if you like our videos, please share it, watch the complete video, and if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe it.